बहुत सारे लोगों को अभी तक जो रिफंड की बात कही गई थी वो भी नहीं मिला कैलाश जी, और पीने के पानी की ठीक से व्यवस्था
छोड़ो
नहीं।
यार, तुम फोकट प्रश्न मत पूछो
नहीं
यार।
फोकट नहीं, ये तो मैं तो वहाँ होकर आया हूँ।
क्या 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 घंटा हो गया है तुम? क्या घंटा हो गया है तुम? बात
कैलाश जी बात ठीक से कीजिए,
नहीं,
नहीं
आप-
शब्दों का चयन ठीक
मैं
करिए।
बिल्कुल सही
कैलाश जी आप ढंग से बात नहीं कर रहे हैं। नहीं आप, ये क्या शब्द होता है कि घंटा घंटा क्या शब्द होता है? आप, मैं तो जाऊंगा, लहजा इनको सुधारने का।
This clip is barely a few seconds long, but it has made many ask a simple question. Who is Kailash Vijayvargiya? As Indore reeled from the death of at least 9 people due to contaminated drinking water, a journalist asks a basic question about responsibility, about failure, about governance. The response from the minister was not an answer, but a word, Ghanta, dismissive and caught on camera. That moment has now put the spotlight on a man who has long wielded power in Madhya Pradesh politics. A day after the viral Ghanta incident, Kailash Vijayvargiya toured the affected area on a bike, widely seen as a damage control exercise. But the outreach quickly hit a reality check. Kailash Vijayvargiya is no ordinary minister. He is a senior BJP leader, a former National General Secretary of the party, and one of the BJP's most influential organizers in central India. Currently a cabinet minister in Madhya Pradesh, Vijayvargiya is known for his proximity to the party's top leadership and his ability to survive political storms. But controversy has followed him through much of his career. He has drawn criticism for moral policing remarks on women's clothing. After Australian women cricketers were allegedly molested in Indore, Vijayvargiya called the incident a lesson, triggering outrage over victim blaming.
देखिए, कोई सा भी खिलाड़ी हो कहीं पर भी जाता है, जैसे हम लोग भी बाहर जाते हैं तो कम से कम एक लोकल आदमी को तो बताते ही हैं। खिलाड़ियों को भी इससे मेरा ख्याल है कि ध्यान में आएगा कि अब भविष्य में हम कभी भी अपना स्थान छोड़ें तो हमारी सिक्योरिटी या लोकल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन को बता के निकलें, क्योंकि क्रिकेट खिलाड़ी का बड़ा क्रेज़ है।
He has questioned India's independence itself, describing August 15, 1947 as fragmented freedom, a remark that provoked sharp political backlash.
ये तो है ही राष्ट्र, जब भारत का विभाजन हुआ तो इसी इशू पर तो हुआ था। तो जो बचा हुआ पाकिस्तान बना, बचा हुआ देश तो हिंदू राष्ट्र है।
Time and again his statements have sparked debate and condemnation, but the contaminated water exchange struck a deeper nerve, because this time the controversy wasn't about ideology or rhetoric, it was about people who died due to contaminated water. For many, that single word, Ghanta, became a symbol of how power responds when confronted with accountability. Kailash Vijayvargiya remains a powerful figure in the BJP, but the moment has made one thing clear: the country wants to know, not just what he said, but who he is.